The shocking truth most car owners ignore is washing your car in direct sunlight isn't just inconvenient, it's actively destroying your clear coat through accelerated UV degradation and etched water spots from rapid evaporation. Skip this video and you're basically handing detail shops thousands over the years for fixes you could prevent yourself. But here's the real game changer. 90% of people are overpaying for basic decontamination and protection services because they've never learned the proper sequence of DIY techniques that pros use daily. These aren't random tips, they form a complete system where each step builds on the last, creating hydrophobic properties, preventing cross-contamination, and restoring surface tension for that deep, glossy finish. Let's start from the bottom and work our way up, because if you skip the foundation, nothing else lasts. Hack number 17, dish soap floor mat revival. Floor mats endure constant abuse, road salt accelerating oxidation, mud embedding into pores, mystery spills breaking down rubber compounds. Most owners replace them prematurely or tolerate the faded, cracked look. Pros know rubber mats respond dramatically to gentle surfactants without harsh chemicals. Pull them out, rinse off loose debris to avoid cross-contamination, then mix a dilute dish soap solution, about 1:10 ratio, for low surface tension that lifts grime without stripping protectants. Scrub with a stiff brush in circular motions to agitate embedded dirt, rinse thoroughly to prevent soap residue haze, and air dry in indirect sun to avoid uneven UV exposure. For that factory-fresh, deep black restoration and UV degradation resistance, Hack 16, Shaving Cream Mirror Defogger. Side mirrors fogged with water droplets or condensation in rain or humidity render them useless, forcing unsafe lane changes. Forget pricey spray-on anti-fog that wears off fast. The pro secret is foam shaving cream, must be foam, not gel, for its surfactant blend that creates a lasting, invisible film. Apply a dime-sized amount directly. Spread evenly across the glass surface, like polishing. Let dwell 2 minutes to break surface tension, then buff off with a clean microfiber until streak-free. This leaves a hydrophobic coating that repels water for weeks, beads rain instantly, and prevents fog by disrupting condensation formation. Mechanics use this on customer cars, then upsell premium treatments for $50. You've now got superior visibility without the markup. Tires looking dull next? This hack chains perfectly because conditioned rubber enhances the overall stance your clean mats and mirrors set up. Hack 15, Air Conditioner Tire Shine. Hair Conditioner Tire Shine. Tires suffer brake dust adhesion, UV degradation causing fading and cracking, and road oils dulling the sidewall. Premium dressings sling grease onto paint. Detailers' hidden go-to is hair conditioner with moisturizers and sometimes built-in UV blockers. Apply sparingly to a cloth, rub in circular motions. The emollients penetrate rubber pores, restore flexibility, and deliver deep black without sling. It withstands rain and washes better than cheap sprays. Pro tip, choose one with aloe or UV filters for extra protection against ozone cracking. Shops charge $40 for this exact effect in tire shine packages. Cost here pennies from your shower. Your interior's next, because a shiny exterior means nothing with a grimy wheel. Hack 14, Baby Wipe Steering Wheel Miracle. Steering wheels accumulate hand oil, sweat, UV-baked residue creating sticky grime that harbors bacteria. Aggressive cleaners strip coatings. Baby Wipes' mild surfactants and emollients cut through buildup without drying leather or vinyl. Wipe in sections, flipping to clean sides. Watch grime transfer instantly. Safe on all materials, restores tactile feel in minutes. Detailers stock these for quick interiors but charge $20 to $30 as premium cleaning. You've done it for 10 cents. Pet owners, this one's dependent. If your seats are hairy, nothing else shines. Hack 13, Rubber Glove Pet Hair Removal. Pet hair embeds deep via static, laughs at vacuums. Pros use rubber gloves for friction and electrostatic attraction. Don glove, rub briskly in short strokes, hair balls up for easy pickup. Far more effective than lint rollers on fabrics. Detailers charge $50 to $75 for this. Gloves cost $5 max. Seals cracking next? Prevent it before they fail. Hack 12, Silicone Spray Door Seal Saver.
Dried seals crack, squeak, leak water, causing mold or rust. Silicone lubricant restores pliability, creates UV and moisture barrier. Light coat, spread with cloth, wipe excess. Apply seasonally, extends life dramatically. Shops charge big for seal conditioning. Can last years for $5. Dents bugging you? Fix minor ones before paint damage. Hack 11. Compressed air dent popper. Shallow dents from hail or dings respond to thermal contraction. Heat with hair dryer, expand metal. Invert compressed air can, releases cold propellant. Spray, rapid cool, pops dent via physics. Works on minor panel damage without creases. Body shops charge hundreds. Cost here $10. Undercarriage rust killing you? Frame,